Now the next topic is volume of cylinder. The question reads, circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water it can hold if 100 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter? See, the question is very simple. You are being asked to find out how many liters of water it can hold, and how many liters of water it can hold means you are talking about volume. Height is given to you, that is 25 centimeter, and also what is given? Height is given, and then the circumference is given. So let us do one thing. From the circumference, let us try to find out the radius. What is the circumference given to us? 132. From the circumference, let us find out the radius. See here, circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 132, and 2 pi r means what? 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 132. So this if you solve, then r is equal to 132 into 7 by 2 into 1 by 2. It's very simple. 1 by 2, this is 7 by 22. Then if you simplify, then this becomes 2 ones are 2 and 22 ones are 22 and 22 6s are 132. So again you do one thing, 2 ones are 2 and 2 3s are how much? 6. So what I have done is, from the circumference I have found the radius. And what is the radius? Radius is equal to 21 centimeters. Now children, you got the radius. From the radius you have to find the volume. And how to find the volume? Volume is equal to volume of a cylinder, you know, pi r squared into h. Pi r squared into h. But whatever answer you are going to get, that will be in cubic centimeter, and we want the answer in liter. So answer whatever we get, you divide it by 1000. So now the value of y here is, pi is 22 by 7 multiplied by radius. Just now I have calculated, it is 21 into 21, and then height given to us is 25. Height given to us is how much? 25. Now let us calculate it, how we can do it. 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 21. And whatever answer we are going to get, we have to divide by 1000. So let us see how we can multiply here. 21 multiplied by 22 multiplied by here, 21 into 3, it will be 63 multiplied by 25. So this if you multiply again, you multiply this 22 into 63 and then again by 25. Let us see what we can do. See, 22 into 3 is 66, carry 6. 22 into 3 is 66, carry 3. 22 into 6 is 132, 132 plus 6 is 138. Multiplied by again 25. What I have done is these two I have multiplied, and then 22 I am multiplying. So 22 into 3 is 66, carry 6. 22 into 6 is 132 plus 6 is 138. Now this again multiplied by 20, 25. So 25 into 6 is 150, carry 25 into 6 is 150, carry 15. 25 into 8 is 200, and 200 plus 15. 200 plus 15 is 215, carry 21. 25 into 3 is 75, 75 plus 21 is 76, 96, carry 9. Then again 25 ones are 25 and 25 plus 9 is how much? 34 you are getting. Just check it out again if you want. 25 into 6 is 150, carry 15. 25 into 8 is 200, 200 plus 15 is 215, carry 21. 25 into 3 is 75, 75 plus 21 is 96, carry 9. 25 ones are 25 plus 9 is 34, divided by 1000 liters. So this if you simplify children, what is that you are going to get? Is this 0 cancels with 0 and then 2 zeros are there. So this will be 34.65 liters. 34.65 liters of water it can hold. So here little bit of calculation is there, but you should learn to multiply it. Now the next question is, the inner diameter of a wooden pipe is 24 and the outer diameter is 28. The length of the pipe is 35. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 cubic centimeter is 0.6 ग्राम. इसका मतलब क्या है? सी 1 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर का मतलब होता है ये 1 सेंटीमीटर लंबाई, 1 सेंटीमीटर गहराई और 1 सेंटीमीटर विड्थ, 111 अगर है तो उसका कितना है? 0.6 है ग्राम. छोटा सा अगर लकड़ी है तो 0.6 ग्राम का होगा 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब का. तो आपको हाइट दिया है 35, तो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि व्हाट इज़ द मास. दैट मीन्स व्हाट, हमको पहले वॉल्यूम निकालना पड़ेगा, वॉल्यूम मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मास, दैट विल गिव अस द टोटल वेट ऑफ द वुड. तो इसके लिए आप क्या करोगे, पहले आपको आउटर डायमीटर दिया है, आपको इनर डायमीटर दिया है 24. तो इनर डायमीटर अगर आपको दिया है तो लेटर से इनर डायमीटर छोटा होता है, इसीलिए इनर डायमीटर को हम कहेंगे d, और d हम कितना कहेंगे? 24. तो इनर रेडियस होगा इनर डायमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 2, यानी 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 12 सेंटीमीटर. आउटर डायमीटर आपको दिया है, outer diameter that is given to you is 28. So outer radius will be equal to outer diameter divided by 2 and that is 28 divided by 2 which is equal to 14. Now आपको एक काम करना पड़ेगा कि we will have to do one thing. Inner volume we will say V and outer volume we will say V, capital V. So outer volume minus inner volume will actually give us the volume of the vessel. So volume of the vessel is equal to, or pipe is equal to, volume of pipe is equal to, volume of pipe is equal to, capital V means outer volume, small v means smaller inner volume. So outer volume I will write it as pi r squared h. Capital means pi r squared h and inner volume means pi small r square, and of course height is same, so I am going to write height as it is. So if I take common factor here, what is that I am going to get common? Pi, h is also common, and this is r squared minus r square. R squared minus r squared is r plus r and r minus r. A squared minus b squared is a plus b and a minus b. So r plus r and r minus r. This here if you calculate 22 by 7 into r, capital R given to you is how much? 14. Small r given to you is 12. So 14 plus 12 into 14 minus 12 into height is how much? What is the height given to you? Height given to you is 35 centimeter. So this if you calculate, this will be equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 26 and that multiplied by 2 and multiplied by how much? 35. So this is what? This is cubic centimeter. This much of cubic centimeter is the volume of the pipe. Now this volume if I multiplied by this density 0.6 gram पर क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, इसको अगर मैं डेंसिटी से इंटू करूं तो टोटल मास मुझे मिलेगा. तो टोटल मास अगर मुझे चाहिए तो टोटल मास इफ आई वांट, टोटल मास इज इक्वल टू दिस वैल्यू दैट इज 22 by 7 multiplied by 26 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 35 and multiplied by 6 by 10 I will write. What I will write? 6 by 10 instead of 0.6. Whatever cancellations are possible, let me do it here. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Again 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Again if you do it, 2 ones are 2 and 2 13s are 26. So this 22 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 6. So this will be equal to 22 into, let us see if at all we can do something here. So 22 into 2 I'll make it as 44. 22 into 2, I'll make it as 44. 22 into 2, I'll make it as 44, and 13 into 6, I'll make it as 78. So this if you multiply, then 78 multiplied by 44. 78 multiplied by 44. 4 8s are 32. 4 7s are 28 plus 1 is 31. Then again 312. So this will be equal to 3432. 3432. And if I convert it into kg, that means grams is given to us. So if I convert it into kg divided by 1000, that will be equal to 3.432 kg. अगला क्वेश्चन है, a soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin with a rectangular pack of base length is 5 cm, width is 4 cm and height is 15 cm. तो एक सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक है, उसका नाम आप जो भी लेना चाहो, तो 2 आकर्षक पैकों में है. एक तो है आपका क्यूबॉइडल शेप में, दूसरा है सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में. अक्सर एडवर्टाइजमेंट में लुभावने एडवर्टाइजमेंट होते हैं, नए आकर्षक पैक में, उसी कीमत पर, नए आकर्षक पैक में. इस तरह के कुछ सेंटेंसेस यूज़ करते हैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट में. तब आप थोड़ा परेशान नहीं होना. यहाँ पर आप देखिए हाइट यहाँ का 10 है, तो इसका हाइट है 15. हाइट इसका बड़ा है, इसका हाइट कम है. इसका विड्थ 5 है, तो इसका डायमीटर 7 है. तो किस में ज़्यादा लिक्विड आएगा और कितना आएगा? तो आमतौर पे आदमी सोचता है सर इसका हाइट ज़्यादा है, तो कॉमन सेंस कहता है कि सर इसमें वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा होगा. इसका हाइट कम है, इसलिए इसका वॉल्यूम कम होगा. बट लेट अस सी एक्चुअली मैथमेटिकली कि किस में ज़्यादा होगा और किस में कम होगा. तो पहले हम देखते हैं कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड हम निकाल के देखते हैं. क्यूबॉइड का वॉल्यूम आप निकालने की कोशिश कीजिए. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड का फॉर्मूला है लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट. तो बच्चों लेंथ कितना दिया है आप देखो. लेंथ आपको दिया है, द लेंथ गिवन टू यू इज़ 5, ब्रेड्थ गिवन टू यू इज़ 4 and height given to you is 15. Okay, I repeat again, length is 5, breadth is 4, height is 15. So if you multiply this, then it will be 15 4s is 60, and 60 into 5 is how much? 300 cubic centimeter. This is the volume, 300 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. यानी इसके अंदर जो लिक्विड आएगा वो होगा 300 सीसी. अब इसकी बात करते हैं हम. यहाँ पर लेट अस सी इसके अंदर कितना वॉल्यूम, कितना लिक्विड होगा. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर अगर आपको चाहिए, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर का फॉर्मूला है πr²h. और आपको डायमीटर दिया है, तो पहले रेडियस ढूंढना पड़ेगा. आप डिवाइडेड बाय डायमीटर आपको दिया है 7, तो डायमीटर दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 7/2. तो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू पाई इज 22/7, रेडियस इज 7 into 7 and height given to you is 10. 7 radius 7 means 7/2. This is also 7/2. तो इसको आप करोगे तो what is that you are going to get? 7 cancels with 7 here. Then again 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So let us make the thing simple. This is 11 into 7 into 5 is 35. That if you try to solve, 11 5s are 55, carry 5, 11 3s are 33 plus 5 is 385 cubic centimeter. बाप रे सर, यहाँ तो हाइट ज़्यादा था, यहाँ तो हाइट कम है, इसमें तो वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा आ गया. इसीलिए मैं तो आपको बता रहा हूँ कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट के झांसे में मत जाओ. यूज़ योर कॉमन सेंस, यूज़ योर मैथमेटिकल स्किल्स, एंड देन ओनली you try to purchase the things before you go by the advertisement. Don't go by the words, go by actual facts. So आप देख सकते हो कि which has more volume, cylinder has more volume, that cuboid has less volume. So what I can say, volume of cylinder is more than what is it? Cuboid. or if you want you can make it volume of cylinder, volume of soft drink in cylinder, volume of soft drink in cylinder is more than cuboid. So by how much? It is equal to 385 minus 300, that is equal to 85 cc, a cubic centimeter. So children, don't go by the words, don't go by the advertisements, use your common sense, use your basic sense, apply the correct formula and then try to solve it.